Hi, fourth graders, it's Mrs. Valgarino. I'm here today to show you how to join our Google Classroom. Before we get into that, I just want to say that I miss you guys so much, and I wish I was in school with you seeing your smiling faces every day. I know this is different, it's a little weird, but we will get through it together. One thing I know about our class is that you guys are up for anything, you're up for any challenge, and I know that we can conquer this together. And even though it's different and I'd rather be in our classroom together, you know what? This is a new experience and I'm kind of excited to try out a new way of learning with you guys and trying to see the positive and trying to look on the bright side. So I'm excited to get started with you guys and I want to show you how we're going to do that today. So I'm going to send an invite to all of you. So each of you gave me an email or your parents gave me an email for me to send this invitation to. So once you check that email, you should get an invitation that looks like this. It says class invitation, Mrs. Valgarino's fourth grade class 4A. That's the name of our Google Classroom. So your email will look like this. There's a picture of me right there. That's how you know that invite is from me. And there's this little blue button right here that you're going to click that says join. So you'll go ahead and click join, and it will open up a new tab for you in your browser. It says you've been invited, and you click join again. And then after that, you're in our Google Classroom. So two really simple steps. You have to push join, that little blue button, twice, and here you are into our Google Classroom. So the way that you will log in, if you log out, I would just probably stay logged in, but if you need to log out, you would use that username, so that email and password. So if you have, like you're using a parent's email for your Google Classroom, I'd maybe make sure you have that password just in case you accidentally get logged out or your parents need to use it for any reason. Okay, so after you're in, this is what it looks like. Okay, I will be putting out some different videos showing you how to navigate Google Classroom, how to find assignments, how to complete things at another time. But this is how you can join. Let me know if you have any questions and I would love to answer them. Thanks, guys.